Good Wednesday morning, friends. March 15th. Missy, get off of my pants. What do you think you're doing? You're not allowed on Mommy's pants. Do you look like you care? No. Still quite a bit of snow out there, but it's getting less every day. Here it is, March 15th. Richard's got a big smoke going out of the chimney over there. He's coming over here, though. He's going to install that heater in the bathroom. Yay! Because it's like only 13 degrees in there. Brr. Brr, brr, brr. See the end of her tail going. It hardly ever stops. You don't listen very good, do you? Come on, she's gone. Kylie, she's gone. You can get a drink now. Why are you hiding behind there? Come on. Come on out. Come on. Get a drink. Good girl. Missy's gone. Good girl. Oh no, I hear Daddy coming now. Oh boy. It's only Daddy. Come back. Oh my goodness. She's still gone. She didn't run this time. She walked, but... Oh, we went to the post office. Oh. Two? Oh, just throw them on the foot of the bed there.
I'll just pick them over there. This one's on light.
Is it? Sometimes it feels like there's nothing in there, but...
This is made for me. Where's it from?
Oh, that's your Royal Bank thing. Statement from your RRSP.
What?
Yeah.
It says Ontario.
Well, hon, that must be where the main office is. What do you got there?
Well, we gotta see if it's gonna be too long. You got tape measure here, huh?
Yeah, I don't know where it is. Right, there's one beside you there.
I'm gonna take the girls off.
Oh, okay.
We'll lay it on the bed.
Yeah, lay it there. Oh, rumpled the blanket. What are you grinning for? It's not that funny. Right, Missy? Oh, he scared the cat, so she didn't jump very far, though. Yeah, we're going to do an unboxing. And he's doing an...
Undressing.
Get unready with me. We're always in these outfits in the wintertime.
Yeah. Gotta have your coveralls on in the winter.
Yeah.
Well, I do.
I haven't worn mine all that much. But I haven't been working outside in the cold either.
Look.
Oh, that fuss budget.
Well, that thing starts fussing.
Yeah. Hope the heater will work because the 500 watt one doesn't heat the bathroom properly.
How many watts this? 75.
750.
750.
Just ball it up there and lay it there.
Never brought me slippers.
Well, you got moccasins in the bedroom.
Oh, so we do.
Want me to go get them? The other day when I turned this here camera by yourself, and when I was editing it last night or the night before, there you were singing to the friends. Just, I'll be right back.
I couldn't carry a tune in a bucket.
I know.
Shit. Alright. Can't carry a tune in a bucket. Bucket must have a hole in it.
You know how the wife always brings his slippers when he comes home from work?
Fetch my slippers.
Well, he hasn't been to work, but he's going to work here.
I was work yesterday.
Oh, yeah, he did work yesterday. That'll pay for the Blue Cross and the gas to get there. Yeah, and back.
Now.
Made in Canada. Well, that's refreshing.
Canada. In Canada. Well,
Don't damage the box in case we have to take it back.
how do you open these things?
I don't know. I didn't look at it. $49.99 plus tax, friends. Oh, well, look. It's got a easy way to open.
Well, that popped open. It's white.
Yeah. Richie, unboxing and installing.
Whoa!
Oh, I'm cold. Oh, isn't that ever cold for being in that porch all night? Instructions.
You need that.
He already knows how to do it.
Well, so remember.
I hope this fits. Please let it fit, Lord, so it'll heat that bathroom. It looks pretty long.
Where's the wires?
Oh boy, where's the wires, he says. They should be at this end.
I've seen them.
They must be tucked in back. They must be tucked in back there. Oh, there's one on the other side too.
Well, the wire's not on this anyway, they're on the house.
Oh, for heaven's sakes. Well, you gotta wire it to something, though.
That's why I laid it in.
Oh, you take this off.
This one or this one, I can't remember what's in the wires on in there. I think it's
This
one.
end. That end up there.
This the top?
Wait. No. No, this is the top. This end here where this piece of information is. Caution.
That's not like that other one. Because the other one had got upside down, remember?
No, it wasn't upside down.
If this was on top of it.
No. No.
Yeah.
No. Well, let's go in and see then.
We're going to go in and see it in 1 minute.
1 minute.
I've opened up the can of pop here.
Can of pop? Drinking pop this time of morning.
I got pop.
Oh. You're not supposed to shake pop.
This one you can. You're supposed to give it 3 taps.
Oh.
It's not supposed to explode.
Okay.
1, 2.
If it explodes, you're in big
If it
caca.
does, it'll be over the bed.
Right, Ashley? With those pink TURDSs.
Look at that. No explosion.
I should make myself a mug of tea.
What's that cover?
Wash what cover? Oh, your black mug?
Yeah. You got a cover for this?
There's one in the bedroom, but we're going in the bathroom.
Where did this go?
There's pop tabs we save. You over there?
I got a stove here for now.
Can you just imagine a new stove there, hon, and poking wood into a brand new stove? We've never had a brand new stove before.
Yep.
I never.
Yep.
Well, when I was doing the fire yesterday. All right, let's get this show on the road.
Grab the tape.
It's a wonder Missy didn't grab it.
Yep.
Play with it. Oops.
Don't let me down.
I did run him down, too. Oh! Brr. See, that's only a little itty bitty.
Yes, it is. Now, why do you piece of short? But, I can take a hint.
Can you? Well, it's just a little bit over where this one was. The old one that was here.
Why did that have to be so short, though?
Because that was the size down. The next size down.
We shut the power off, we got no light.
Well,
Open that curtain up here.
that's not going to do it. Anyway, that little... Give me that before I have to... Just turn the main switch off because you're not going to be... Oh, let my water heat first. That black mug, the thermos mug?
Yeah.
I laid down and even around supper time, that was still the same hot.
Where's the screw?
Okay, we're not going to continually do it, but yell when you're got that one off of the wall and the other one ready. Well, I hope it's burnt out and it's not something with one of the things. Gee, I didn't know he was going to lay down on the job.
Let's see what it is here.
All right, he's taking the first screw out. We're going to go make my tea. Gee.
Well, I mean, I should have brought my trouble light over.
Trouble light. I got a trouble light right here.
You get no power.
Well, how can you use your trouble light then? That must be batteries.
Yeah, the one we had in the truck.
Oh.
I'll run over and get it. You want to clean them?
Yeah.
Cobwebs up?
No, I don't want to, but I will.
That's something. All right. I'll be right back.
He's got a battery-operated trouble light.
Yeah. Oops. I'll get you going.
Burr.
Okay.
Power's off. Well, it's been here for years. You can't take these off and dust behind them. Can you? No.
Well, let me see.
Yeah, it's brighter when it's dark.
Yeah. This is all the wires, but
That's what I mean. I don't think it'll reach.
Ugh. The wires have to be over here.
Is that all the wire there is?
Yep. No more. What's it almost reach?
Well, you were going to try to push the corner of that washer in.
Yep, that's just what it's going to do.
I don't think you can do the corner where your head is because the pipes are behind there. You don't want to knock anything leaking. Just throw that aside on the toilet seat or something.
Out of the way.
It's Wild Wednesday, friends. Wild Wednesday in the bathroom at Potato Patty Too Mad and Richie Rich's home.
Let's see here.
I'm not going to like that. Crooked.
As far as you're going to go.
By your brute strength.
As far as you're going to go.
Ah! Don't pull it too hard because you might... That should be enough. Hopefully. If it's not, it's going to be so close that...
Yeah, put that upside down. Yep. We got to take that off and put the wires in there, right?
Well, do you want the instructions?
Yeah, just have a look at it. I'm going to take this one off.
A man asked for instructions. Woo!
I don't think I really need it, but
There's pictures there, though. Look at the English side.
is this English?
Mm-hmm. I don't know. I can't see it from here. There's one of these in red at Walmart, hon. This.
I suppose it's on its way.
Not yet, but I thought we would just pick it up if we was down there. Instead of ordering it and waiting a week or two, or not knowing if it's coming on a truck or in the mail. Or
It won't.
We're going to go Walmart anyway. Do you want me to hold that light?
No, let's sit there.
I meant to point it better.
Here you go.
Oh.
Here's a screw and everything.
He's not an electrician, friends. Do you think I should let him do this?
No. Holy God.
That's scary.
What do we got here?
And do you know what you're doing?
No. I'm not an electrician.
Did you install that one? What?
Yep.
The little one?
Somehow I did.
Oh boy. Me and the cats don't want to burn up in the night.
Well, I don't want you to burn up in the night.
Well, we don't want you to either. I see a little copper wire at the top of it. I don't know if it's attached to anything or not.
Yep, that's the ground. Get my right screwdriver here.
Those things are handy, but sometimes it would be handy to have one of each. And just pick it up. Put one down and pick the other one up.
But these things, you can't put no pressure on them because they'll fly back.
Yeah, I know. Well, that's old.
But they're all the same. These ones got no pressure. You can't push hard on them.
Oh.
I'll knock it right off now.
It's a long ground thing.
Yep.
Does that thing screw or anything? No.
Nope.
Whoa! Finally! Oh, some more dust flew. I'll take the old one. That's really cold too. Because it's cold in this bathroom.
Now. You want to bring my drink in?
Yeah.
I'm just
I'll
really,
be in time.
really dry. That's part of the old. Wow, there's a monster.
Well, I wasn't going to sweep you.
Yep.
I don't know where to put it. I know it's your way over.
Now.
This thing doesn't seem like it goes to the, on the floor right.
Maybe upside down.
Oh, well, you glued it on there, didn't you?
Oh, that's the one?
I think.
Square. You.
Ah!
Gosh.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It would be more practical to have a whole set with one of each.
Well, some people like it, some people don't. It depends. You got to put pressure. You want to, yeah, you should have a little belt with this one and that one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's go easier on this one because this one's brand new.
That's part of the old one.
All right.
We got it mixed up.
Well, I guess it should be fairly simple. Red to red and black to black.
Yep. I just don't know where my ground goes.
Oh, well, this should be in the picture. It's dark, friends. We got the whole power off. I can't even see where it says anything about a ground. Do you see where it goes? Because this one's got 3 wires.
Here's the wires going in there.
Should I call an electrician?
No.
Yeah, famous last words.
Maybe we don't need a ground.
I'm drinking out of this. Yeah, well, there's 3 wires for a reason, hon.
Well, that is the ground for that. There's nowhere for that ground to go. Unless I put it right there.
Hmm.
Wait a minute, what's this one?
Well, isn't that what the other one looked like, kind of?
There's the ground right there.
Ah! Whew!
I see it. That's going to go there. That's going to go there.
That makes me feel better.
Let's see it over there.
Do you need me to help with anything?
No, I'm just thinking.
Oh, thinking out loud. You think I should be trusting him, friends? I don't think I can see your face, the look on your face. Come on, the camera's rolling. Get on with it. No dilly-dallying. My favorite words, no dilly-dallying.
Whoops.
Whoops what?
Oh, nothing, false alarm.
Oh. Scare me every time.
Got to have a square.
Did you, do your bottles last night?
No, head company. Well, I didn't feel it going out. You can't talk and count at the same time.
Well, no, you can't. Oh, you didn't know he was coming.
Nope.
I heard him when he came.
Yeah, he got up the hill in his car.
Yeah, I heard him and I saw him. Okay, well, I got a birthday coming, so I'll get myself one of these for my birthday.
What?
One of these here mugs in red. Hoping to pick it up when we go stove shopping. It's a good traveling mug. It keeps it hot for a long, long time.
Yeah,
Longer than I've ever had any of those cups do it.
You go to Bridgewater, that'd be hot when you get back. And you still drink it.
Yeah, because this is A thermos, not just a cup.
Yeah, the cup thermos thing.
Mm. He found the ground, friends, so we don't have to worry about not having it grounded. I think. Now he's second guessing me.
No, I got it. I just got that wire in the wrong place.
Oh. This is turning out to be longer than I thought.
Uh-oh.
Hmm.
Yeah, that didn't work.
Do you want something for under your knees? I don't know how you can be on your knees. I can't be on my knees at all.
Get up out of there.
Uh-oh, now we're at stage 1 again.
I should have had a washer. I got it with me. Wrong one again.
See what I mean? That takes all the time, fiddling with that. There's another one. You can put one on one and one on the other.
Okay.
Mine's pink, friends. Breast cancer awareness. Well, the yellow one was mine too until he confiscated it, and then I had to get another one. I don't know what's on the end of that.
You know what?
The screw driver thing on the end of that pink one.
I know what it is.
Oh.
It's not going on it, but...
Oh.
Well, yeah, it will be. Flat, flat, flat. It's down in there. Yeah, the one's wondering what that is.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
There.
Scared me.
It's not put in there.
Oh no!
Not you.
Surgeon. Is that where it's supposed to be?
Yeah, that must be there somewhere because it could be in the right on the edges. That's good. Well done.
What?
Well done.
That didn't sound like English.
Love your thumb.
Oh!
Well, I took that out too far. It's not going to go back in. I should just slide it in there. Oh, no.
Is there a wire or something holding it back in there?
It must be.
Oh, it went. Woo! And without damaging anything. Woo!
That part's done.
Hard work.
We're not done yet, though.
No. No.
Now. Okay. There we go. Uh-oh, Bigfoot.
Bigfoot. I guess we didn't have to push that washer at all.
It wasn't ½ inch, but
We got an inch or an inch and a half here.
we had longer wires on this.
Oh, cool.
Yep, this should be easy.
Yeah, that's the easy part. Screwing those two things together. We're going to be warming the bathroom, friends. It's the warmest it's been there since we put that other little heater in there. Love it. That 500 watt never warmed this bathroom anyway.
Well, I hear you.
They're over there. Oh, Kelly! She just walked by.
I heard that. No, I heard that.
Kelly! Come on!
Now, you know you don't let in here. Don't coax her in.
She tries to come in, though. And I push her back. And she'll go halfway out. But she's kind of on the door sill there. She thinks she's out because her head's out. Cats are funny. If they close their eyes, they think that we can't see them. Friends, did he do it right?
Yep, but now I need my container of screws there. Because you didn't get enough screws to screw to the wall.
Well, there's leftover screws.
I'm going to use my new ones.
Yeah, I might as well use the new ones. Show the friends down there.
Oh, yeah, because they're washers and everything made their own.
Oh. Nothing but the best for Richie's wife.
Happy wife, happy life.
He's laying down on the job again.
I'm not going to get that, but I'm going to put it down here.
He's got the strength in his hands and his wrists.
Oops.
Oh boy.
That would stay there.
Yeah, we gotta get a set of screwdrivers because that would annoy me right to the What?
It just went again.
Oh, I thought I heard her meow. Kelly, come on. I'm not supposed to step over people because it's bad luck, Mommy said.
Oh, just kick me in the head.
I kicked his hat, Bill. I didn't kick his head. I'm not supposed to step over people because it's bad luck, Mommy said.
Oh, kick me in the head.
I kicked his hat, Bill. I didn't kick his head.
Yes, it is. Kick me in the head.
Of course, he has to exaggerate.
I got a heater effect now. It's kicked me in the head.
He's got to exaggerate. We know that.
Not me.
They know you already. Don't worry, they know you.
See, I bought these screws and I didn't need them when I needed them.
The only thing is when we have to move this heater to put a washer in or out. Well, that one's, well, I don't know how old that is now. Remember what year we bought that?
No.
I don't know.
There.
Oh, that would annoy me so bad. I'm just gritting my teeth and it's not even me using it.
You gotta have patience.
I don't. Not when it comes to something like that.
Get in there.
Jack of all trades, master of none.
Yeah, I could have been an electrician.
Yeah. Yeah, I need my own one of these thermos mugs because all I can smell is that vanilla stuff. And taste it too.
Okay.
It's on the, I don't know if it shouldn't be in the stainless steel, but. Oh, does that have a screw too?
I need a screwdriver for that one.
Well, I can't see. Blind as a bat. Well, bats are not that blind. I think that's a square. Is that a square or a cross?
It's a square.
The biggest square or the medium?
Medium.
Medium square. Well.
Is that going to fit in there?
Oh.
If it does, put it right in.
I can't see. Where does it go? Is that it?
Yeah.
No. You do it.
What happened?
My glasses fell out of focus.
That's got to be something. That ain't square.
Well, what is it then?
That's a Phillips. My God, I guess you can't see. Never mind.
Well, I said it's a square or a cross, and you said,
I said square, and you put a cross in it.
I did not. I had a square.
No, it wasn't.
I did.
That wasn't.
I'll show you which square I had in a minute.
That's the wrong one. Get out of here. The last thing we got to do, one screw.
The blood is going to my head.
Calm down.
Is the handle too big? Too fat, I mean? I used to have screwdrivers here, but he's taken everything that I ever had. Oh, you want screwing it?
Oh.
What?
Wasn't going in.
Oh.
Get out of the way.
Oh, my heavens. Ah!
Get out of the way. Can you get out of the way?
You roiled up in dust, Bunny.
Oh my God, I ain't got enough hands.
Well, that's why I was holding it.
Yeah, but you're holding it the wrong place.
Oh. Oh, there. It's in the right place now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
Get in the right place to get there.
Our hats are banging against each other over here. It's going in. It's going in. Oh.
Got it.
It's in, hon. Oh, my goodness. Thank you, Lord.
Woo.
What's this? Leftover parts?
Yep. We got leftover parts here.
There's a leftover screw. That's a white-headed screw.
There's another one. I'm going to put them in with this screws here.
There. Yeah. Might as well, I guess. There it is. It's all installed.
This one's got a cover on it. The other one didn't. Remember?
Yeah, it had holes. I never liked that one anyway. Should I go and...
Yeah, snap the barrel back on. And...
Ooh, it's going to be scary, hon. It's going to be scary. Ah! Is it the big one on the bottom?
Yeah, we got power.
Whoa! Turn this off now. Okay, so who's going to turn this on?
Kicking things around now.
Who's going to turn this on?
You are. It clicked.
20, 25, 30. We should have bought a new one of those to go with it. Ah! Brat! You brat, you! No, it's getting warm in there.
Already?
Oh my heavens! Oh, friends! I kick that light one more time.
You stop kicking my stuff around.
Okay, that's going to make a smell because it's a new heater. So we're going to...
Want the window open?
Let's close this door.
Do you want the window open?
No. You said we would put the fan on. Yeah, that's making a smell. We'll put the fan on. There he comes with his arm load of tools.
What's your stuff?
Yep.
Got coffee on it.
Tea. Okay, yeah, that's making a big smell.
Should open the window maybe.
I don't know.
But it smells well.
Well, I don't know if it will. I thought there was a problem opening it before.
Only for you, that you couldn't reach it.
Oh, I'll take your stuff out.
I think it should be open.
Slide the fan.
What'd you get this fancy little one today?
It's yours. I took it from the our bedroom. You put it there. Isn't
It's
it?
in a bad place.
Yes, I know, hon, but... Yeah, that's making a big smell. I'm removing myself. Yeah. He said, that's probably got a smell, and I stuck my nose right in it.
Yeah, it does.
Well, we'll just throw that out there on the porch.
Well, that job is done. Told you I could do it.
I knew you could, hon. It just makes me nervous. Here's his tools. His electrician tools.
Pliers and a screwdriver.
I don't know what they really have, but... Richard went to the post office and got some friend mail. See you in the next one, Lord willing. Unboxing. Warmest it's been in the bathroom since we had that little one. Thank you, friends, one and all, for supporting us. We love you all. See you in the next one, Lord willing. Friends, if you could just subscribe and hit the bell and give us a thumbs up, it would help us.